Hi, this is Erdem Uluçay from King E-Commerce LLC from USA. Recently, I opened a business in USA. My aim was using the FBA for Amazon USA. So in the beginning, I received many difficulties and I couldn't find the proper help. Even though opening an account and further instructions, it was not clear. There was some videos, YouTube videos, I watched them and I tried to fix it. And then I find one assistant, virtual assistant from Pakistan. Unfortunately, 3 months he couldn't perform very well, and he create many wrong things which I have to correct later on. So when I find the Grow with Amazon by the website, I deal with them, I talk with them, we did the meeting with them, and Mr. Hitesh helped me to understand what is their conjecture and what are they providing for the small companies like mine. And what I understand, they have very different categories, and they have very good big institution, big backgrounds in India, and they are providing proper help to the small business like mine with different setups. For example, they have department of advertise, PPC department, they have designers, they have task managers, they have many other departments working all together and correcting everything. So my company was in mess condition. Now, within 3 months, we recover many things together with them. Thanks for them. And I want to continue work with them in any other steps for this business. Thank you. Go with Amazon.